Hello everyone. In the previous video, we highlighted the significant enhancements provided by the single inbox feature. Alongside this pivotal update, numerous optimizations and innovative features have been introduced. In our upcoming release, we're reorganizing our inbox folders vertically to optimize screen space, delivering a cleaner and more organized interface for enhanced productivity and ease of use. The Engaged panel has been reconstructed to ensure better usability. We have introduced a timer in the Agent panel for the agents and admins to see how much time a chat has been waiting unanswered. Besides, we have introduced badges for all kinds of incoming requests, like messages, voice and video calls, or co-browsing, so that agents can easily identify them. The queue folder has also been redesigned. Before accepting a chat, it is very important to see the customer chat details in order to get a context, which was not previously possible. Now agents can see the customer's profile and chat details before accepting it, so that they have the full context before starting the conversation. Also, one new button has been introduced to assign the chat to another agent, in case the admin finds the chat fits another agent's skill or expertise. In the queued folder, comments on social media can be sorted according to posts. This will enable admins and agents monitor specific, important posts and respond to any visitor query instantly. Previously, Agents Chat was listed in the Engaged folder along with admins. But it is quite obvious that an admin might need to see agent-wise chats to monitor their performance more effectively. To solve this, we have brought a separate folder where chats can be filtered agent or bot-wise. Here admins will see a list of agents currently engaged with visitors. And if he wants, he can filter the chats by choosing his preferred agent or specific channels, so that he can easily monitor and whisper to agents when it requires. The chatbot's chat has been shifted inside this folder as well. Considering the chatbot as a conversational agent, here admin also has to select an online bot and choose which chat he wants to monitor. And while monitoring the chatbot conversation, it is sometimes necessary to take over that conversation to provide the right kind of support to the user. For this, we have brought a chatbot conversation takeover button. Before single inbox, on the online folder, visitors who are browsing the website are shown as a list, where agents can pick them for proactive chatting. But the agent has to pick up a chat in a random manner, as no information is provided to have any context. In single inbox, we have fully redesigned the proactive chat experience, so that agents can see all the necessary information of the visitor, and then approach him purposefully, by clicking Start Chat to initiate conversation or clicking Go to Chat to view which agent is supporting him. This will make the proactive chat more effective and value-adding. One of the major upgrades has been made in the conversation panel. Before single inbox, the writing panel was pretty basic, where no formatting or scaling can be made while writing a message. But with single inbox, now the chat experience will be more organized and seamless. We have introduced a rich text editor that will enable agents to compose formatted messages, enhancing clarity, professionalism, and the overall quality of communication with customers. In this rich text editor, agents can easily use bold, italic, subscript or underscript texting, as well as use bullet points and many more to better support visitors. In customer support, especially for e-commerce, retail, travel, and hospitality business, image and media file exchange is pretty common between agents and customers. Previously, there was no separate gallery view to facilitate an efficient image file preview. In the single inbox, we have brought a gallery for a more organized file management and preview experience, where agents can view shared media file in the same chat window and reply easily. Voice, video, and co-browsing experience has also got an upgrade to make the support more seamless. For voice message, the user interface has been greatly improved. Now agents can start to record a voice message and pause when needed. Even before sending the voice message, agents can play the message to reconfirm if he wants to send it to the visitor. And the voice message is sent as a media file that the visitor or even the agent can hear in the chat panel without the need to download. And the co-browsing feature, important for travel, bank or insurance business, is also improved so that agents can seamlessly co-browse within the chat panel and help their visitors firsthand, for example to purchase tickets. And as the agent will only view the page the visitor has given him access, payment credentials always remain secured. In customer support, addressing customer queries or issues as fast as possible is the foremost priority. And keyboard shortcuts are vital for achieving the utmost efficiency. Therefore, we have brought a wide range of keyboard shortcuts to make the support faster and easier. From navigating between folders, like Engaged or Queued, to actions like Send Appointments, Add Media Files, as well as text editor shortcuts like bolding, subscript of texts, etc. can be done using shortcuts, which will greatly improve agents' response time of supporting visitors. For customer support or lead generation, having customers' information is vital. These information can help the business to run customized campaigns or provide personalized support. In our improved visitor info panel, agents can add any new info that he got while chatting with visitors, like their preference, special notes or requests, purchase details. Or for example, the agent identified this customer's birthday and he wants to travel abroad to celebrate it. The agent can store this additional information about the customer in the Custom Attribute section, where any type of information can be defined and saved. Besides, we have brought a wide range of customers' data as system attribute, which are collected automatically when the visitor initiates chat and can be utilized in future. Besides these system and custom attributes, agents may require to take notes that may come handy during or after the conversation. To support that, we have brought a note-taking option as well, where agents can save multiple notes that can be used for future customer support. Tagging a chat is an important feature where agents categorize visitors for future engagement. With the new release, agents can add or create new tags easily from the visitor info panel or while closing the chat. We invite you to explore the boundless possibilities of customer engagement by signing up or log into your existing REVE Chat account. Thank you for watching.